Hey guys, I'm Abhyuday and today I'm gonna tell you how to make a Flappy code in code.org. So if you're ready, let's go. Give me a moment. Are. Here we are. This is our code.org screen of projects, and you can see the Flappy code. It's right here. You click it. Now we are here, guys. So, when run, so this is the when run block, and these are all the events block because you will only get these many events in a Flappy code. Okay, in when run block, you can do all the basic settlements like who should be playing, what should happen, stuff like that. So you can first get the player. You have many options. Anyway, Flappy is actually meant for the yellow bird, but you have even red bird, spaceship, fish, Santa, hat, shark, Easter bunny, bad guy, submarine, unicorn, fairy, Flappy man, and turkey. Should we try with Flappy man? I've actually never seen it, although I've already made 2 Flappy projects. Then you can even set a scene. So you have many city day, city night, CFI meaning how should I tell you, lava, underwater, cave, or Santa, which is the North Pole. I think we should go with CFI. And you can also you must actually put a speed. It's the main thing, or nothing will happen. Like Flappy is a code. Like there's a person who has to pass a bunch of objects, and if you don't put the speed block, then the whole game will be just stuck. It'll be like this. See. It'll be like that. But so it'll be moving. But if you put nothing, we're not moving. You see it? And you can even give your way very slow, normal, fast, or very fast. I suggest with normal. Normal will, yeah, it'll be a little better than all the others. Now you can even set which type of obstacle do you want. Do you want it to be a pipe? Do you want it to be sci-fi, plant, cave, chimney, lasers? Hey, let's see how this cave is. Okay, I get it. It's just big rocks. And did you realize our Flappy wasn't flying? Well, I'll tell you that in a little bit moment. But you can also set the ground, how you want your ground to be. I'll try to drag it. Man, my system I think is getting a little old. You can and you can also put this random one with the computer decides what you want. But I think we should go with underwater, so it'll be like stuff like that. And here's when click the main. So where we are, where is that thing? Yes, flap a normal amount. Meaning when click, Flappy will fly how much amount? Small, very small, normal, large, or very large. I think you should go with very large. it's not scoring any points. Do you see it? Do you see it? It's not scoring any points right now. Whatever we are doing. So here's this part. When pass a obstacle, you can add score a point. And you can also give this set score 0 over here. Or even if you want, you can set your score 100 at the start of the game itself when you pass nothing. See, it's like that. And when hit a obstacle, it's your wish now. Do you want to end the game? Or there's also the sound option. So when we click, you can play a jet sound. See, do you hear it? It's like your jet. It's like a jet. And you can, even when pass an obstacle, you can put a point sound. Where is the point? I'm not sure, but yeah, here it is. Point. And when hit the obstacle, well, you can literally end the game and put the sound crash above it. Crash. And when hit the ground, well, it's your wish. Well, it's your wish. You can even start the whole thing again. Set the score 0. And I just think we'll go with 0 here. Or you can even end the game. It's your choice. So this is how you make a Flappy game. Let's try and play it. I've never been good at this game. Og! You see it? I just lost in the first part. I've never been so good in this game. Oh, you see? Now you can even rename your project up here with code.org. You can name it. I want to name it Flappy Man. Flappy Man flies. Hey, is it an S? Save. You can save it, and with code.org, it's so great that you can share it. You can also have a link over here in which you can view your project in a whole nice mode. See, just see, watch it. Look. Oh God, this is the most horrid. And you can even publish your thing in code.org, meaning all the code.org people can see it. And also you can send it to phone. Just type a number or scan this code with your phone camera. Actually, you should scan it with QR code. So this is how we make a Flappy code. So if you want any more videos, just email me on my personal email, abhyuday.jha@gmail.com. And here's my sister. She also started learning to code and she is getting really good at it. Also, sometimes she fails. Goodbye, guys. Until next time, it's Abhyuday zooming out. Goodbye.